The 2025 BMW X3 is a refined and capable luxury SUV that offers a compelling blend of performance, technology, and style. This latest generation builds upon the strengths of its predecessor, delivering a more refined driving experience and a host of new features. Design asterisk. The 2025 X3 features a bold and athletic design with a larger, more assertive grille and sharper styling elements. The interior is equally impressive, boasting high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, offering ample room for passengers and cargo. Performance asterisk. The X3 is available with two powerful engine options, a turbocharged four-cylinder engine and a turbocharged inline-six. Both engines deliver impressive performance and efficiency. The X3's handling is precise and responsive, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and advanced chassis technology. Technology asterisk. The 2025 x3 is equipped with a host of advanced technology features, including a large touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The car also offers a suite of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Overall asterisk. The 2025 BMW X3 is a well-rounded luxury SUV that offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. It's a great choice for families and individuals who need a versatile vehicle that can handle both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Key features asterisk. Asterisk stylish and athletic design. Asterisk spacious and comfortable interior. Asterisk powerful engine options. Asterisk advanced technology and driver assistance features. Asterisk refined driving dynamics. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV that offers a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and technology, the 2025 BMW X3 is definitely worth considering.